All right, what is up, YouTube? So, I guess all the cool kids are doing this lawn egg toss challenge thing. So, what the heck? So, just got this out of my fridge, and probably you can't hear it on there, but there is a trick to find out whether or not it is hard boiled or just a regular old egg. So we'll take it. If you spin it, let go. If it keeps spinning, then the stuff in it is still sloshing around. Whereas if you stop it and it just stops, then it's hard boiled. So it is a non-boiled egg. So we're gonna throw it out here in the lawn. Haven't mowed in about a little over 2 weeks now since I overseeded. We got quite a bit of rain on Sunday and the Monday, about 3/4 of an inch of rain, so ground should be fairly soft. So see how I can do this. I'm gonna try maybe throw it over my shoulder this way, see what I can hit. So roof of my house is along the gutters there is about 25-27 feet up, so I'm gonna try to match that, see what I can hit. I'm gonna try to hit in the middle of the yard here. All right, here we go. And it bounced. Here we go. No cracking. See if I can throw it up a little bit higher. We'll do it one more time. So I maybe kind of go like this, maybe. And another bounce. All good. So, hooray! I guess I'm the cool kid. My egg did not break. I'm afraid to try it at the back because that's just going to be all scrambled eggs. So, yeah, let's try it over on the side yard here. Same deal. Same egg. We're going to throw it out here. Again, I'm going to try to land right about there. Really bouncing. There you go. So there we go. Lawn egg challenge successful. Yay.